Hello everyone, it's Marshelle. It's day 6, so welcome to day 6. Let's tackle your spices and pantry staples. I'm decluttering to make room for joy, purpose in the next chapter of my life, and I want you to come with me along this journey. So when we clear our space, we clear our minds, and if you're craving a fresh start, join us in this challenge. So welcome to day 6 of the 30-day declutter challenge. Today we're doing a pantry reset, checking expired items. So we're going to be checking those dates. We're going to be clearing out stale items. We're going to organize our foods that we actually use. And this small task supports healthier eating and reduces stress in our kitchen. So 5 decluttering decision questions that you can ask yourself to know what to keep and what to throw out. Number 1, do I use it regularly or have I used it in the past 6 to 12 months? Number 2, does this item add value or joy to my life? Number 3, do I have a duplicate of it or something else that serves the same purpose? Number 4, would I buy this item again today if I didn't already own it? Number 5, does keeping this item align with the life and space that I want to create? All right, so let me know if you want my 30-day decluttering guide. And so this matters so much because expired spices don't work anymore. They clutter our shelves and they make cooking stressful. So the task that we have today is that we're going to check those expired items, and we're going to throw out the ones that are expired. We're going to keep the ones that we want. We're going to organize it. We're going to clean it up. And we're going to just make our cabinet look really, really nice. Okay? So we're going to set the timer for 5 minutes. Are you ready, ready? This is my spice cabinet right here, so I will be doing that. Hopefully you guys can see it. I got my little notification on that says it's time to get ready for bed soon, so yeah. After this video, I will be getting ready for bed soon. So let's set the timer for 5 minutes. Alexa, can you set the timer for 5 minutes?
5 minutes, starting now.
All right, let's get started. This is my spice cabinet. You see, it's just full of stuff. Full of things. All right, so I guess you should probably start by taking things down and then just reorganizing. I hope I don't have anything expired. I do have lots and lots of spices. I haven't been too long done this, so hopefully it's not too bad. Hopefully it's not too bad. All right, so I'm gonna probably organize something at the back. So I have cumin, ginger, more cumin. I have lots of cumin. I love cumin. So I'm gonna put that here. Or the one that needs to be finished up. I have ginger, poultry seasoning, sage, red curry powder. We have this Mrs. Dash stuff. It's probably expired. I don't never use Miss Dash. So I'm gonna trash that. Basil leaves. Garlic salt, that's probably my daughter's. Brown sugar bourbon. She got some spices here. Cayenne, red fresh peppers. Nutmeg, I love nutmegs. Salt. Ooh. This is rosemary. Cinnamon. Sesame seeds. Old Bay. Ground mustard. I need to figure out what more I can do with ground mustard because I hardly ever do it. I know it's supposed to be great for salads, but I haven't even been using it on the salad. I don't use this. This is Monique's. Okay. I wish I had my vacuum. I could just bring it up here and get these spices at least. Let's try that out and see if it's long enough to reach. That would be great. It's just some spices waste that has waste in it. Finish this today, so I'm going to set my timer for another 5 minutes. I have so many spices, so I got to start using these things before they expire. Butter steakhouse, garlic and herb. I could probably trash this one. Chili powder, love chili powder. Fenugreek seed. Oh yeah, this is expired. I never use this. I guess I'll trash it. Baking powder. Cayenne. Put the larger ones at the top. Some taco seasoning. This time it's probably expired. I never use it. All right. So as you can see, 5 minutes go really, really fast. Alexa, stop. So set your timer for 5 minutes and just get started. Start decluttering something and then do another 5 minutes later. You can get a lot accomplished in 5 minutes. So let's start doing that, okay? So if you guys completed this fast for day 6, I want you to comment spiced up below when you're done. And as you can see, we got a lot done today, and I bet you got a lot done. So I would love to hear all about it in the comments. I love time blocking because it's intentional work being done, and we all can do some decluttering in 5 minutes a day. So let's try to set that as a goal in the new year. Remember, you can rewind this and set your timer for another 5 minutes if you would like. Otherwise, I will see you tomorrow. Comment one of the things that you did below, one of the things that you cleaned out, one thing that was expired. Let me know. And if you're enjoying this challenge, make sure you like this video, comment, and share with your friends. Tomorrow, we're going to be tackling our nightstand. So see you later, loves. Bye.